my name's Tana, and today I'll be showing you how to make mozzarella sticks. This is a really easy process, so yeah. Flour, and then you also need eggs, 2 right here. You're also gonna need some breadcrumbs. I put it on a half of a plate. The next thing you're gonna need is mozzarella sticks. I got these from Walmart. They're like $2 or $5, I don't know. And then utensils you're gonna need is two bowls to keep your flour and eggs. You're also gonna need a plate to keep your mozzarella sticks after you're done, and a knife to cut the mozzarella sticks, and a whisk to whisk your eggs. So first we're gonna crack the egg. Start with this. Let's crack the second. Now let's crack the second egg. So now that we cracked the eggs, now we're gonna whisk it. Okay, so now it's done mixing. We're gonna open the mozzarella sticks. So here, there are some opening tabs. And then we'll do the other one. Now that we have all our mozzarella sticks put, we're gonna cut them in half. So here I have this, spin it the right way, and then try to make it as even as you can and cut them. So now that we have our mozzarella sticks cut, now we're gonna take one and we're gonna, I'm dipping it in the flour. Shake off the extras, put it in the egg. Put in the breadcrumbs. Put it back in the egg. Get out the extras. And put it back in the breadcrumbs. So now that we're done with one, keep it here. Let's go on to the next one. Put it in the flour. Put in the egg. Take out the extra. Put it back in the egg. Okay. And then put it in the crust. Here we have another one. So I'm gonna fry it. Now we have to flip the mozzarella sticks. You should start flipping them when they turn golden brown. So this is how the mozzarella sticks turned out. I added some ketchup and cilantro on top. And this is it tastes really good.